This is the mascot of the Intimate Hotel. I think his name is Goody. He's pretty friendly. Hi Goody, how are you doing? Nice to meet you. I think he's going to kill me. Tim Intimate Hotel, or Intimate Hotel by Tim Boutique, and I'm breaking my own rules here because I normally only review hotels if I'm staying at them, but I'm not staying at this one, but my best buddy is, and he's given me the lowdown, and I thought it'd be a good idea to show you a decent mid-range option. It's a 4-star hotel. I think the price he paid was £34 British pounds. That's approximately 40 or so euros, or 50 US dollars. So let's go inside the Intimate Hotel and check out what it's like. So before we get to the rooms, let's have a look around the reception area here at the Intimate Hotel. There's chandeliers, which is nice. It's a fairly unremarkable reception. Here's another mascot. This one's like me, follow me, and thumbs up. Okay, Goody. And you've got your own little bar area here, which is pretty cool. It's a nice bar area, and they've got these wizard drinks, which are exclusive here, which are German made, and very, very tasty beers indeed. You've got some computers just the other side of this wall too, and most importantly, Chang. 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 Chang, chang, chang. Kop and cup. Oh, and a second Chang. Chang. Elephant. Thank you very much, sir. Take care. Bye. Let's go see the rooms. Room 520 at the Intimate Hotel. Let's have a look, see what we got. Well, when we come in, we've got wardrobe space with dressing gowns, slippers, and lots of hangers. So you can tell that this is a decent place because they give you dressing gown and slippers, which is always good. Air conditioning, controller here, your key card, your do not disturb sign. Walking into the bathroom, you will see something pretty cool actually. First of all, you've got a rain head shower in a separate shower cubicle. Use your toilet, etc, etc, etc. Some fish on the wall. Me, a nice sized sink, a bin, of course the obligatory arse wand, but check this out, a massive great big bath. This is huge. So it's not a jetted tub, this one, but you could have some serious fun in there. You could get a couple of people in there, maybe 3. That's a definite plus for the rooms here at the Intimate Hotel. You've got your mini bar, which is really spread out, which is cool. You've got your bottles of water, nuts and crisps. You've got a hairdryer down there. Sang-som, love a bit of sang-som. Also, they provide you with condoms, so the Intimate Hotel, quite happy and encouraging you to get intimate. Smirnoff vodka, an extra cushion. That's, I suppose, if you don't want to use the condoms, you want to do a bit of DIY. You've got a nice box of tissues there. More bin, more storage area, a suitcase rack right here. Sony television, which has sofa on cable, so you've got lots of sports channels, your international news channels, your mini fridge, filled with goodies including super nuclear Fanta, beers, more water, Kit Kats, etc, etc, etc. Now then, check this out. I can't even go back far enough because this is the biggest bed in the entire world. That is bigger than a king, I think. I'm sure, actually. That's got to be a super king. And 4 pillows as well, and your headboard, and your telephone. So if you like to roll around in bed, this could be the place for you. Those prices again then, it's 34 or so UK pounds, which is 40 euros, 50 US dollars. You got a chair for sitting in, 2 bedside tables for putting stuff on. You've got what looks like the biggest kettle in the world, or could be a pressure cooker. I don't know what that is. This is handy though. So this is the list of your cable TV channels and your little welcome pack that you do get here. They do provide you with coffee and coffee cups. It's very good. And you've got a nice workstation area here too. So if you want to be doing your internet work, you can stick your laptop on here, have yourself a coffee, and enjoy. Now you've got the blackout curtains and your regular curtains. And this is a bit bizarre though. You come out here, and you've got the balcony, which I'm really confused with. Because yeah, you've got a view of the construction, by the way. If anybody's wondering what's happening to the old Boss Suites, the old Diana Inn, well, that's what's happening to it right now. Let me have a bit of a zoom for you. They're knocking it down. And it looks like they've already knocked down the buildings behind it here. But this one still remains just about. So that was the Boss Suites, if you've ever stayed there. Or before that, the Diana Inn, which the soy is named after. Say a last farewell. You can just about see the Hilton over there in the distance, and looming up here you have the base condos. But yeah, I'm not quite sure what's going on with this balcony thing. Obviously it's got ventilation, so it's got an ashtray here as well, so I guess this is a kind of smoking area. It's also got drainage and a towel rail. So if you do have like wet clothes or wet towels, you can stick them on here, but it's got a roof. It does have a light, so I'm pretty confused by this whole balcony idea. But I guess it is some extra space. I've been told by Besty's Besty that it does get pretty hot on the balcony area, and that's pretty much it. So my view on it is the pool area is absolutely fantastic here at the Intimate Hotel. I think it's decent value. If you look around the room, it's nice. It's a fair size. It's not huge, but it's certainly not a shoebox either. And it's nice to have the option to have a bath. Bathroom does look a bit tired. I think the room itself is fine, but the bathroom is a little bit tired. But that's really the only criticism I've got. They do room service, which is of a reasonable price. So let's have a look in the menu here for you. Good morning breakfast. So you get your continental breakfast. I believe you can get that delivered to your room. Here's a room service menu. You've got appetizers, main dishes, shepherd's pies, etc., etc. Pizza, 155 baht. These are pretty expensive. The international dishes, salmons and fish and chips that is a lot actually. 320 quid. 320 quid. Yeah, that would be a lot, wouldn't it? 320 baht for fish and chips. But pepper steak, 320 baht. Pork chop. You got your Thai food here. I mean, it's all pretty decent for room service prices. Your curries, your stir fries, noodles, desserts, shakes, smoothies, and that's all your drinks which you can get from the bar too. So all in all, I think it's a decent option. I hope you do too, and I hope you've enjoyed my little room tour and mini review of the Intimate Hotel just off Second Road with its massive bed. And so here we are on top of the Intimate Hotel, overlooking the Avenue shopping complex. just about see the Pattaya city sign in the distance over there. And let's go up onto this raised platform and we can have a quick look at how they're getting on with Mike's shopping mall. So as you can see, people have been asking loads of questions about whether the Mike pool is still open, and I'm pretty sure that's a categoric no. There's loads of workmen up on the top of there. I'll be quite astonished if the pool is still open up there, as they seem to be working on it. You can see the sea though from up here, and down yonder a little bit of Second Road and the plane from Ripley's, believe it or not, at Royal Garden. And the looming base, one of the twin towers of the base condo. So up here we've got a great big trampoline, and no, I'm not going to go on it because, yeah, I know I will definitely break it. And I'm probably not going to go in here either, but we're going to have a quick look around, because this is the gym. Not the kind of gym that I normally get into in Thailand. But it's small, but it's got a few things. It's got a treadmill, one of those skiing cross trainers, which I do like. Free weights and some leg curly things. Exercise bikey things, and another treadmill. And a telly. Air conditioning's not on here in the gym though, so that will be really, really hot to do a workout. Well, we've got some foliage around here, and some people sunbathing, and the smoking area, always important. And right here we've got the pool itself, which is really good. It's a good size too. And the pool bar. So all in all, this area here looks really, really nice. It's the pool at the Intimate Hotel. So it's been a really pleasant day sunbathing at the Intimate Hotel, who, by the way, win the award for stating the obvious on signs. So it's this bit's alright, please wear international swimsuit, clean up body and blah de blah de blah, but this last one, number 7, please take off your shoes before swimming. No shit. Thank you so much for watching. If you've enjoyed the room tour, give me a like. If you haven't already, give me a subscribe. Take care and vlog off.